Pretty excited here at RTC Products. We just received our new Switchblade Trowel Kit. This is an 8-piece kit altogether. One of those pieces being the handle that fits on the top. Here we got a shipment in here just recently, and we're about to launch this new product. So I just want to show you the functionality basically of how this thing works. So everything's contained within this kit. Also has holes on the bottom of this basin here, so any moisture can go through and dry up on the products when you wash them and put them away. But in general here, we have a red button here. It's a spring-loaded button that drops down, and then the trowel blade slides out. Once the trowel blade is out, you'll see the handle is contained on the inside, and then you have some of the other notches that are available. But this demonstration is just to show you how this piece locks in. We also have the Super Comfort Grip handle, which is unique to the RTC line. So it's got a nice grip here where your hands go. It holds really firm in your hand at any angle. So some of the other ones tend to slip a little bit, but this has got the same grip that's on our normal stainless steel trowels in our line. So this is the part that opens and flips here. It's very substantial and super strong in this area here. And basically we're just going to slide this piece on, and if you notice, it can go at any interval in any position on your trowel, so you can center it exactly where you want it. And once that piece locks in, it holds super tight. There's no movement at all. So this is like a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch, and you'll see the other notches that are in there. I believe because of the fact that you're able to move this position of the handle in any direction, you could also reverse it completely for left-hand use. This notch will be in the wrong spot, however, most of your directional notch will remain in the right spot. So what we also have here is all these notches. There's 6 blades in here, 6 different notches, and you'll see those posted. They're all stainless steel, so if you keep them clean, they'll be rust-free. And again, because of the holes in the bottom, it helps drain all the moisture out. So you have a convenient home that you're buying with a series of different notches. We also have some external notches that we bought and have in stock that are not part of the kit, so you can check with us on that. But again, because of the strength of this handle and being able to slide it on, lock it down in any position, and now I'll just kind of show you how to slide this right back in. And then this also acts as your handle in that case as well. So that'll lock right there. And there you have it, RTC Switchblade 8-piece kit.